हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर अवनीत BHMS, daughter of late Dr. Hira Singh Namdhari. So today I am going to continue the 13th chapter, that is of the injury. Now yesterday we just discussed about the animal bite injury. So today I am going to discuss about the, you can say, human being injuries, in which the first injury that will come, that is road injury. Now road injury can be of two types. One is external and one is internal. Now external means if there is any abrasion, if there is any cut, if there is any bleeding. And internal means if there is nothing, only the internal injury or the internal swelling. So for these two kind of injuries we have different type of medicines. Now for the internal injury, अगर कुछ नहीं है, there is nothing from the outside, only the swelling or the bluish appearance, which we call in Hindi nail पड़ जाना. In that condition, you just give the arnica 30 or arnica 200, depend upon the size of the injury or the depth of the injury or the time of the injury, how much it's old or it's new. Now second is the open injury, or there is abrasion or there is any type of the bleeding there. So first of all you have to clean that the portion with the medicine that is called calendula mother tincture, 50% and 50% filter water. You just clean that part with that tincture. After that you can give the arnica for the internal healing, and calendula for calendula 30 for also for the internal healing, and just clean that injured part daily on the basis of the healing process. Now second is the injury to the eye. Now if there is also again two type of injury to the eye, one is by the blow and second is by the any kind of the dust particle. So first we discuss the dust particle. Now when there is dust particle, you just itch there, and because of itching the injury may be occur inside the eye. So for that reason you have to go for instant itching. I told that medicine Econite. When there is any instant change or instant infection or instant feeling, suddenly when the dust come enter into your eyes, you feel just like this. So for this reason this is the instant problem. So you just give the Econite 30, and after that if there is the this white sclera part become red or bright red, then you can give the hemamelis for the internal bleeding. And second medicine is that is arnica. Now second, for the blow, if there is blow on the eye during the fight or any kind of thing, then you can just give arnica first of all, and second is the symphytum medicine, and third, if there is redness in the sclera, then again you can give the hemamelis 30. Now the injury, if there is a clean cut injury, then at that injury you just first of all clean that injury with the calendula tincture, which I have told earlier, and then staph 30, continue with the staph 30. Now burns could be of different type, maybe oil burn, or you can say hot burn, or you can say chemical burn, and electric burn. So we have different medicines for different burn. Suppose the burn could happen because of the touching of the hot cooker, or because of the spreading of the oil on the hand. So in this condition you just wash with the cold water, then after that you can use a Cantharis mother tincture, 25% soaked in the gauze, and just use to clean or cover that part of the burn. Okay. Now and you can eat also Cantharis 30. So there is a difference between the mother tincture and the power 30. Mother tincture can be applied on the skin, and the 30 power you can take inside your body. Okay. Now the if the chemical burn, for the chemical burn the same medicine can be used. So for the external application, Cantharis mother tincture, and for the internal, Cantharis 30. Now the next is the electric burn. Now electric burn you can see it's instant. So first of all you just take, क्योंकि जैसे इलेक्ट्रिक बर्न होगा तो पेशेंट के जो वाइटल एनर्जी से एकदम से डाउन हो जाएंगी, पेशेंट समटाइम अनकॉन्शियस लेवल पे बहुत पहुंच जाता है, ये एकदम से ठंडा पड़ जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक बर्न. तो फॉर दिस कंडीशन जस्ट गिव Econite 30, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड मेडिसिन, वेरी इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन गिव द इलेक्ट्रिसिटस 200. ठीक है. for 7 to 8 weeks because it will take time to heal that electric burn effects, and Cantharis 30 if there is burning feeling, ठीक है, and Calendula if there is wound, deep wound also, so you can apply Calendula mother tincture. Now the next topic under injury is the back injury. Now backbone is the, you know, is a very important bone in your body. It's contained the 31, so it is very important to take care of this backbone. If there is injury during the sleeping in the bathroom, or from the sleeping from the stairs, or from the falling on the ground, so sometimes it happens कि आपके बैकबोन में आपको चोट लग जाती है, और बैकबोन की चोट मोस्टली इंटरनल लगती है, उसमें एक्सटर्नल बहुत कम दिखता है. इंटरनल में व्हाट हैपन, द वर्टिब्रास में जो मोस्टली द लंबर सैक्रल वर्टिब्रास होते हैं उसमें इंजरी आ जाती है, और लंबर सैक्रल वर्टिब्रास में ही बहुत सारी नर्व्स होती हैं जो आपकी लोअर लेग्स में जा रही होती हैं, और आपके रेक्टम में जा रही होती हैं, और आपके आगे के पोर्शन में जा रही होती है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न सम टाइम इट हैपन कि कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाती है, या यूरिन में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, या लेग्स में नमनेस आ जाती है. तो बैकबोन को हमें अवॉइड नहीं करना. कोई भी चोट अगर बैकबोन में लगे तो यू जस्ट टेक इमीडिएटली द मेडिसिन. 3 medicines are very important for the backbone. First is the Aconite, which I told, injury. And second is the Arnica for the internal injury. And third is the Hypericum for the nerve injury. So this is the combination of the 3 medicine which is very effective in the backbone injury. Now next is the last of the injury is the dislocation. Sometime there is a dislocation in the joint happen, maybe shoulder joint का dislocation हो जाए, एकदम से stretch करते एकदम से कुछ हो गया, ouch निकल आया, या hip joint का dislocation हो जाए, that is very very painful, क्योंकि इसमें जो bones हैं वो specially dislocate होगी अपनी जगह से little bit. तो उसमें क्या है कि you have to फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो बोन सेटलमेंट करनी पड़ेगी, जो कि फिजिशियन ही करेगा या ऑर्थोपेडिशियन करेगा, तो आपको उससे करवानी है. और उसके बाद की जो मेडिसिन है दैट इज आर्निका, रस्टॉक्स एंड रूटा जी. दीज 3 मेडिसिन आर वेरी गुड फॉर द डिसलोकेशन ऑफ द बोन. सो यू मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कि आपको कोई भी इंजरी हो, अगर आपको नहीं समझ आता तो जस्ट कंसल्ट द फिजिशियन, एंड आफ्टर दैट you can take this type of medicine for the speedy healing and for the easily recovery. So guys, today I am just complete the chapter number 13, that is of the injury. So tomorrow is the last chapter. Maybe it would be the last chapter hopefully, and the topic is the vitamins. So guys, hopefully आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. अच्छा लगा तो शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू. रिगार्ड्स डॉक्टर मील. बाय बाय.